Hello team, today's challenge is FizzBuzz Mini, where we are doing the small piece of FizzBuzz. Instead of returning a whole array of numbers and FizzBuzz, we're just returning that single string for that index or that number, right? They have thrown a wrench in it where if it is a number, they return it as a string. We're going to have to take care of that a little bit. But most of this will look exactly like the regular FizzBuzz, only without the loop, okay? So up here, we can do that. We're going to go let string equal an empty string because we're going to add stuff to this, right? And then we go if n%3, okay? So n modulo 3, it's going to divide by 3 and give us the remainder. If that remainder is 0, meaning that it is cleanly divisible by 3, then we go string plus equals, this will be fizz, right? Excellent. The next one, we copy that down, bring it down, change this to a 5, change the string to buzz, just like this. Excellent. Okay, so if it's divisible by 3, it's fizz. If it's divisible by 5, it's buzz. And if it's something like 15, we're going to get fizz and then buzz. Everything's going to be good. The last part of this is just testing it, right? So that's string, okay? We're going to test against that string because if that string is empty, then we want to do one thing. Otherwise, we want to do another, okay? If it actually has something, then we return the string. Otherwise, we return the number. But remember, in this case, they want the number to be a string, which is kind of a wrinkle for this challenge, right? They don't usually do this, so we just go toString and it's done. Now, I would prefer to make it so that we don't have to do this toString inside of this this work here. So what I would probably do is I would grab all of this, copy and paste it. We are going to rename it not to mini, but L, okay, for FizzBuzz element. And here we just return the number, okay? And then for all of this, I'm going to comment it out just to leave it there. But now we just have to return, just like this, return FizzBuzz L, passing in that number and sending it to string, spelling it right. There it is. And this works as well. But now we have this really handy function that we could send through a loop if we wanted to do the entire FizzBuzz. We could just get a specific element out of there, which is what we're doing with FizzBuzz Mini, or we could test it inside of, say, BuzzFizz, which is a challenge that was a few months ago inside of FreeCodeCamp. So lots of flexibility just by having this function ready. And we can do all those different challenges right here, right now. Is it the only solution? Of course not. If you found a different one, a different way of doing this, maybe you exited early because most of these are just going to be numbers, right? That's kind of the nature of the thing. But maybe you exited early. Maybe you did it a different way. I would love to see all of that. Hit me up in those comments. Otherwise, this is it for today, and I will see you tomorrow.